What's up guys, another day, another leak. We have the live hands-on look of the Samsung Galaxy S21. YouTube user named randomstuff2 uploaded a Galaxy S21 impression video. He shows off the phone in full glory and also tests out the Geekbench 5. The model in the video is the Snapdragon 888 version. Now as the name suggests, it's a random YouTube channel. The guy has been uploading videos regarding PS4 and he hasn't even uploaded any videos since like a year, and boom, one day he randomly uploads a proper impression of the Galaxy S21. Apparently this guy has been using the Galaxy S21 for like 2 to 3 weeks. I mean, we're like 1 month away from the official announcement of this phone. Anyways, let's talk about the star of the show, the Galaxy S21. Incredibly minimal bezel look up front, especially when you look at that chin. It might actually be the slimmest chin on any smartphone right now. The display is indeed flat with very slight curves, so it's definitely a lot more premium than the Galaxy S20 FE. Then he flips the phone around to show off the back of the phone, and it's actually the S21 with a triple camera setup and a fairly minimal camera bump. Now there is no black color on the S21 model, which means this is actually the gray color. The S21 is also the only model that is coming with a plastic back. Now after this, he runs the Geekbench 5 on this Snapdragon 888 model, and the scores are pretty disappointing. I mean, it's even worse than my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's Snapdragon 865 Plus. Qualcomm said there is a 20% improvements in CPU, but so far Geekbench 5 has failed to show that off in terms of numbers. It could be because of the optimization, and this is obviously an unreleased product. I'll still wait for the official phone to come out, and of course I will be testing things out individually on both Snapdragon and Exynos 2100 models, so make sure to subscribe for all that content. Now speaking of Exynos 2100, we have a brand new blog post coming from South Korea saying that Exynos 2100 has some massive improvements when it comes to the power efficiency compared to the Galaxy S20. Despite having the same battery size as the S20, the S21 will be significantly power efficient thanks to its 5nm process, and also Samsung has significantly improved the heat management compared to Exynos 990. Exynos even expects the Exynos 2100 to be around 50% power efficient than the Exynos 990. He also said that Exynos 2100 will have some crazy scores that will blow the competition away. If there is one processor that has any chance to level the field with Apple A14, that is indeed the Exynos 2100. Also, we have some final leaks regarding the Galaxy S21 storage and colors. Apparently this is what's on the menu: 128GB, 256GB model for the S21 and S21 Plus, whereas the 512GB option will only be exclusive with the S21 Ultra. Once again, pink, white and gray colors are only exclusive to the Galaxy S21, whereas silver and black is exclusive to the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. In my opinion, this year we might see matte finish on both silver and black variants of S21 Ultra, which is something I really love because matte finish is always better than a glossy fingerprint look. Now his article further confirms that the S Pen is indeed coming to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and apparently Samsung will be offering some official cover cases that will allow you to store that S Pen, as we have talked about already in the leaks. I think most likely if you buy the S Pen, it will come bundled with a case. I believe that should be the ultimate decision. Again, there will be some third-party options as well, as we see the S21 Ultra coming officially along with S21 and S21 Plus live online at Samsung's Unpacked event. Now let's talk about some non-Galaxy S21 news. We have a HTML5 benchmark test of the Galaxy A52 5G. The score of the A52 is similar to the mid-range scores of Qualcomm chips. So all of this is pointing towards a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750 5G chip for the A52 model. This chip will provide around 20% faster CPU gains compared to the Galaxy A51, and also around 10% faster graphic rendering thanks to the Exynos 619 GPU. The use of Snapdragon 750G confirms that Samsung is once again trying to make the Galaxy A52 a super affordable phone. That's all for the news. The Galaxy S21 and its live video hands-on look pretty much confirms everything. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.